Hi, people. This is Emma of Mark Inspirations, a place where you are inspired to uncover knowledge for growth. I trust you are doing good. We see many plants in our environment, and these plants have lots of benefits to we humans, but we most often do not know how to benefit from these plants. We do not know how to use these plants. Well, people, I grew up in a community where most of these plants are used to benefit humans in the form of medicines and food. And I have decided to review three of them today. These plants have benefited me in several ways as an individual. So I want to share with you in this video how I benefited from these three plants. If you are ready, let's get started. Plant number one, guava. Guava is locally known in my environment as agewa. Agewa comes from the family Mataceae and has a scientific name, Sidom guajava. Mataceae is the family and the scientific name is Sidom guajava, which we call agewa affectionately. Guava is a fruit which has medicinal and food properties and helps in many health problems such as diarrhea and blood pressure. Here are some of the facts that you need to know about guava. Guava usually grows about 20 feet high. Guava produces white-like flowers. Guava begins producing fruits for only 2 to 8 years after planting it, and it produces fruits only twice in a year. And in these two times, when the fruits are up there, growing up was fun. Guava contains between 100 and 500 miniature seeds inside the middle of this fruit. However, there are some varieties of guava that are seedless, and those ones we call Atropo guava in my community, and it was so nice getting some to enjoy. Other facts about guava are that guava is rich in vitamin C, A, and E. Guava is called superfood because it is said to contain 4 times more vitamin C than oranges and 3 times more protein, as well as 4 times more fiber than even pineapple. It is also said to have more potassium than banana, hence its name, superfood. Guava leaves are used as black pigment in the textile industry. Guava is also best for weight loss, and it lives not less than 40 years. Some uses of guava that benefited me. Guava has uses as medicinal and food. We used guava as juices, as in drink, to help heal deep cuts and cure headaches, and also the boiled leaves contain a lot of medicinal values that help in sorting out diarrhea. Growing up, these leaves were used to help us come out of ailments such as diarrhea and headaches. I have also come to realize that Its leaves are healthier, and this can be consumed to also reduce abdominal pain. You just need to put a few of the leaves in boiled water. Allow it to boil for 20 minutes. Then strain and make sure it is lukewarm before you drink. It is very possible you will be relieved of the abdominal pain. Guava also helps in good vision, and it is used to cure acne. These benefits of guava are what I got growing up and enjoying this beautiful plant, guava. The fruit comes across with a pinky inside, and that is very attractive. During those 2 times in the year, we craved for it, and we will close from school and run around the guava plants around the area. Please take care of your plants. Plant number 2 is the eggplant, egg fruit, aubergine. In my community, we call it Atropo or Kowaa. The aubergine has a scientific name called Solanum melogena and comes from the family Solanaceae or nightshade. The eggplant, egg fruit, aubergine, better still, Atropo or Kowaa, comes from the family Solanaceae or nightshade, which also includes tomatoes, potatoes, and peppers. Its origin is considered to be India, where it continues to grow wild. This spiny, bitter, orange, pea-sized fruit has been cultivated throughout India and China for many more years beyond 1500s. I have also cultivated it in my garden and have enjoyed its fruit so much. This plant, which we call Atropo or Kowaa, I planted it in the open yard and it did well. It does well in a variety of soil textures, but prefers rich and well-drained soil. Eggplant or Atropo or Kowaa, as my community members will call it, is versatile and can be roasted, grilled, baked, stewed, stuffed, dried, braised, mashed, pickled, pureed, or beaded and fried. Growing up, it was boiled as a final ingredient in the soup and also as the garnishing for soups. This plant was very enjoyable, and because of the taste I derived, I have always had it in my garden. Please try and get it in your garden too. It has health benefits. Plant number 3 is Nunum. This is how we call it in my community, Nunum. It comes from a family with a family name Lemiaceae and a scientific name Osimium gradisimium. Nunum has 2 major uses, medicinal and food. For its uses as medicinal, we use it both leaves and stem internally in the treatment of common colds, fevers, headaches, impotence, I am told, diarrhea, dysentery, postpartum problems, and worms in children. People, I believe this video has given you value. Please let me hear from you in the comment section. Tell me the 2 plants that you're familiar with and that you are intended to take care of. See you in the next one. Bye.